Make your own workflows with the Sartorius Pipetting Workflow Editor. It is a software tool for creating, editing, and managing Picus 2 pipetting workflows. Open your browser and go to workflows.pipetting.sartorius.com. Use your Sartorius ID to sign in. The tutorial will guide you through the workflow editor and its features. You can select an example workflow from the list on the main page. When you modify an example workflow, you will be prompted to save a copy of it under a new name. Any changes you make to the workflow will now be automatically saved. You can examine the workflow step by step. You can make a new workflow by clicking on the plus sign in the corner. Choose the type of workflow you want to make and create it with the help of the wizard. You can change your parameters according to your needs. You are also able to modify very specific details related to the pipetting operations. Give a name to the workflow and add a description as well if desired. After creating the workflow, you can make further modifications such as changing equipment names, for example. On the left is the workflow's task tree, which shows you how pipetting steps are organized. When you are done creating a workflow, you can export it if desired for sharing with a colleague or a collaborator. The workflow can be imported and, for instance, categorized as a favorite workflow. Workflows are run with the Sartorius Pipetting app available in the App Store and Play Store. The mobile app automatically connects to the best suited Picus 2 pipette and sets the parameters. Once you have executed a workflow in the Sartorius Pipetting app, a run log will be saved. In the workflow editor, it is possible to download PDF copies of run logs.